So given the side lengths of a triangle, use the Pythagorean theorem to tell whether or not the triangle is a right triangle. So we are going to use c squared equals a squared plus b squared to let us know. If this equation works, then we know that we're dealing with a right triangle. If it doesn't work, then we're dealing with a triangle that is not a right triangle. So let's take a look at number 4. We know that 17 has to equal c because it's the largest side. So let's do 8 squared plus 15 squared and see if it equals 17 squared. We're not sure yet. So 8 squared is 64. 15 squared is 225. And let's use our calculator to figure out what 17 squared is. I got 289. So let's see, is 64 plus 225 equal to 289? It is. So we know that yes, this is a right triangle. Now let's do the same thing for problem number 5. So let's check and see if 5 squared plus 8 squared equals 9 squared. So 25 plus 64, does that equal 81? No, it equals 89. So because 89 does not equal 81, no, not right triangle. So try the next few problems on your own, pause the video, and then check your work to see if you got them correct. Check your answers. We should have gotten no for number 4, no for number 5, and yes for number 6. Okay, let's go down to our last couple problems, which is a word problem. A construction worker is making sure one corner of the foundation of a home is a right angle. To do this, the worker makes a mark 8 feet from the corner along one wall and another mark 6 feet from the same corner along the wall. The worker then measures the distance between the two marks and finds the distance is 10 feet. Is the corner a right angle? So, what this worker did was, let's kind of draw a picture to illustrate. So we have the corner of a wall. So it looks like he went, let me make a little bit more room. So if you imagine there's a corner of a wall, looks like he went one way and measured 8 feet, and then went another way and measured 6 feet. I know this picture isn't very good, I'm sorry. And then measured between the two of them to get 10 feet. So what we can do is use Pythagorean Theorem to see if this is a right triangle or if this is a right angle. So let's do 8 squared plus 6 squared equals 10 squared. So 64 plus 36 equals 100, and it does. So yes, right angle. Go ahead and pause the video and try the next problem on your own and determine whether or not you are working with a right triangle for problem number 7. Okay, as hopefully what you got is this is not a right triangle. If you do 180 squared equals 120 squared plus 120 squared, that does not equal each other. So this is not a right triangle. Not a right triangle. If you looked at this and automatically said, oh, this is an isosceles triangle because two sides equal each other, then you were right. Good job.